Hello, I want to share with you a little video of one of my students who went to visit Shifu Costantino Valente. He's one of my students from US who started Nei Qi Gong by browsing on YouTube and trying to find qigong related practices, and one of my ads show up, and since then has been one of my students practicing, and now he went to Italy to learn the second advanced program, which is taught by Shifu. I will clarify also a little bit how the learning process works, so it can be beneficial for anybody interested in learning Nei Qi Gong. And had this experience of the Qi, the Qi mission from Shifu, and he had the channels opened and a little bit of work on the Dantian. So I will share this video with you, which was recorded while Peter was in Italy. I was in Mexico, actually. I'm still in Mexico at the moment. And I hope you might find it interesting. Peter went basically from looking for some kind of qigong on the web and trying to make sense out of the many things available to applying using a structured system, which eventually led him to have a taste of the results that can be achieved with this practice. Some of the results, because there are many things that cannot be seen in a video or cannot be expressed through a Qigong Qi emission, which is just the tip of the iceberg of what we see that it is possible to do with these practices. Just to give a very quick understanding of how the learning process works. The first 9 Nei Qi Gong programs can be learned online, 7 of them with me and 2 of them with me and Shifu together. The advanced programs, I teach the first advanced program, the one where we use the electricity, so the Dantian. Second level is with Shifu, third level with Shifu, fourth level is with me, fifth and sixth is with Shifu. This is how at the moment everything is structured. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or to reach me or to have a look at the website to understand a little bit how the old system works. Okay. And now the channel. This. It's okay? A little bit more. The chi flow. Yes. Relax. Hey.
Wow. Okay. Help your Dantian. Hey. Not too much energy. Ma piano piano, little by little. Okay. But now you had a lot of energy in your Dantian. No problem. You also do the travel. Okay, it's normal.
Okay.
Yeah. I will stimulate the third eye.
Okay.
You see the light?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. That's amazing.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent.